Virtual unknown microbiology was designed to help students learn how to identify unknown bacteria using biochemical tests as quickly as possible and using the minimum necessary media and resources. For more specific information on how this applies to the identification of gram-negative enteric bacilli or the identification of gram-positive cocci, please refer to the Show Me How To files in Help. But here is a quick overview of how identification takes place in general. You perform biochemical tests and record your results, and this actually is recorded into an identification matrix containing all microbes and all tests. The results of this will limit the possible organisms by eliminating all of those giving conflicting results. Then you go about finding additional tests in the matrix that will allow you to systematically reduce the list of possible identities for your unknown organism until only one possibility remains, and at that point then you have an identification. Exercises in Microdigital Media Lab Manual will guide you through the initial steps to reduce the number of microbes to a manageable number, and from there it's up to you. My suggestion is take a look at the identification matrix and find tests where about half of the remaining bacteria are positive and half of them are negative. That way, when you do the test, either way you'll eliminate about half of the microbes. And that's the test that you're going to do next. Tests where all microbes are positive or negative don't help you a bit because nothing gets eliminated. So don't do those tests. Look for those that have a good mix of plus and negative results. You'll also notice in the matrix that there are some tests that have test results that are D's or pluses or minuses in brackets. Don't rely on those because those test results do not eliminate anything from the matrix. If you choose your tests well and get your results correct, you'll come to a point where there is only one microbe left in the matrix, and that's your identity. If you don't have any left in the matrix, that means you made a mistake on one of your tests. So now that you have your identity, how do you record that? Go to Unknown, and under that drop-down menu, select Identify, and then go through the steps to input your identity of your microbe. Realize that once you've completed this, you cannot go back and do tests anymore, and your lab report will be finished.